there are key areas where every community that want to be impactful must have to look at.
Yeah.
And that's what these communities do. The five key areas. Academics. Make sure your academics is able to bring to forth what your community is about. In our modern world today, the role the academics will then play to bring those contemporary Igbo traditions and the Igbo community and our community, our practices, our strength, our core value, and then becomes one of the relevant things we must have to do. So the second thing is civic engagement and politics and the community engagement. Some of the things we're already doing, but building a community that would ensure that we get involved. The third one is financial institutions, because if we are not able to pull our resources together to support ourselves, to grow ourselves, you go into the fourth one, which is enterprise businesses, because that's what builds the community. You need to create jobs, you need to make sure that the wealth is spread. And if we start to talk about enterprise and entrepreneurship, about the Igbos, again, that's a very and then finally is what we are doing today. We must tell our stories.
Wow.
Media, we must have to tell our stories.